Here is the start of the fourth race, and Hunter is in a really good position in boat number 2, and the puffs are coming in very quickly. Have to make a quick decision here in the first one to stay with the fleet or not, but again you have to keep favoring the left. And so in every single case, no matter what you do in this kind of a situation, you have to actually lead the fleet left but underneath them. And so here we see a situation where they do attack for attack, and they take off again, and then over the next couple of puffs, Hunter ends up playing them quite well. And so watch what happens here as the next couple of puffs unfold, coming in from the east-northeast over the eastern side of the Thames River.